one on this side, one on that side. They are two different styles. So we have this lovely beast, as well as this guy. And on this side, we needed to get the airbox out of the way to gain access to it. I could have just removed this mount and let the engine hang on the other three mounts, but I always like to play it extra safe, so I've got just a floor jack under there holding everything stable while I pull this thing out. 4 bolts, pretty easy. Then we'll move on to the other side. There's a hidden bolt. Oh, yay! All right. Whew. A little sandy. This one wasn't nearly as bad as the others, but you can see all the dry rot on there and how it's not far from tearing. And honestly, if you've got 1 or 2 that are torn, it's always a good idea to replace all of them. They're all the same age. If you do just the 2 that are torn, then a few months later, the other ones are going to tear. So, good idea to do them all.
Bogey's got the motor mounts handled. The next task for the girls is to fix the